Hello everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam series. This is your host, Appa Consultant, bringing you episode 27. So today's topic is cardinality in Power BI Desktop. Those of you who have not followed this series, I request you to go through all the previous 26 episodes. The link for that playlist will pop up right here. You can watch the playlist and cover all the topics that are relevant and also up to date as per the syllabus of Microsoft Power BI PL-300 exam. So yeah, that being said, let's jump and see question number 27. So it says your organization requires the creation of visualization that showcase order volumes by region, which need to be filtered sequentially. First by account manager, then by area manager. The data should be summarized appropriately. You can connect the region table and the buyer table by region ID. So as you can see, you have tables, column name and data types given in the uh, diagram. You have different tables like order, buyers and region. They have columns and what is the data type. Everything is given to you. So the ask is, how should you configure the relationship to meet the visualization requirement? Select the appropriate options from the choices provided. Determine the correct relationship settings. You have to first determine the cardinality, which is one to one, one to many, many to many. And second is you have to determine the cross filter selection, which is single or both. So your options are A, cardinality one to one, cross filter direction both. Option B, cardinality one to many, cross filter direction single. Option C, cardinality many to many, cross filter direction both. Option D, cardinality one to many, cross filter direction both. So yeah, these are your four options. You can think which should be the solution for this question, where the order, bias and region tables are given. So I'm going to pause the video here for 10 seconds. You can think what is the solution for this question. Your time starts now. So yeah, time is up. Let's see what is the solution. So it's option D. Basically, by default, the cardinality you select is one to many, and cross filter direction is both, so that you can access the information between buyers and regions, and then you can use those columns correlatively, right? So hence option D is the correct one. Let's look at the overall explanation. So basically it talks about what is a cardinality, as it describes the numerical relationship between records in two tables. It defines how many records in one table can associated with how many records in other another table. So there are three types of cardinality: one to many, one to one, many to many, many to one. Four types. But yeah, generally we use one to many. If we want to cross filter between two tables and use IDs across tables, so hence one to many is used. The second slide covers why other options are incorrect, and also what does cross filtering means. It means that you want to allow visuals to interact with each other as you select data points. So yeah, you can pause these two slides. This is slide 2 and slide 1 on the explanation bit, and go through the information provided, and it will definitely improve your understanding on cardinality and cross filter direction. So yeah, that is on this. And again, obviously, this is a small topic. So these are the resources. You can search model data on Power BI Learn website. And second thing is Udemy course, which I am leveraging, called Microsoft Power BI Data Analyst, which is very helpful in preparation of this exam. So yeah, that is. This is a short video, but I hope it has improved your understanding on this topic, specifically on cardinality. And yep, I will look forward to see you on the next day. Thank you for watching.